Hello viewers, welcome to Stock Talk. Hope you all are having a relaxing weekend. Considering our financial markets are closed tomorrow on account of Guru Purab, we thought of bringing few of the most relevant news articles to you which we feel could have significant impact on specific stocks and the market overall. So without further ado, let's dive straight into the specifics. SEBI bars NDTV promoters for insider trading. SEBI has barred the promoters of NDTV Limited, Pranoy Roy and his wife Radhika Roy from securities market for 2 years and has fined them INR 17 crore plus interest for alleged insider trading over 12 years ago. The fine follows an investigation by SEBI where the promoters made illegal gains from trading in the shares of the company while they were in the possession of UPSI, that is, unpublished price-sensitive information. Pranoy Roy and Radhika Roy hold that the SEBI order is based on inaccurate assessment of facts. It will not withstand scrutiny and plan to file an appeal against the order immediately. It will be interesting to follow this case and be rest assured that we'll keep you updated of the latest. Chinese scientists claim that COVID-19 started in India. China, which is already facing a WHO inquiry, have claimed that just because COVID-19 cases first appeared in Wuhan, does not mean that the virus originated from China. China's objective here is to shift the blame of COVID-19 from Wuhan to some other region, and countries like Russia are supporting China in this effort. The report published by China is not fact-based, and WHO is seeing this narrative from state-run Chinese media as being highly speculative. Finally, before we end this video, how do we expect the market to behave in the coming week? My take is that markets shall witness only stock-specific and sector-specific movement, and traders are advised to take a defensive stance. The market is expected to move sideways in the coming truncated week. The RBI's Monetary Policy Committee will hold its bi-monthly meeting in Mumbai next week. Market participants will take cues from its measures on rising inflation and any growth forecast. Key aspects that may be considered for changes to monetary policy will be as follows. Slow recovery and rising inflation in the second quarter, Nifty and Sensex breaching the record level of 13,000 and 44,000 respectively for the first time by sentiments that ran high. More than satisfactory development on the vaccine front improved sentiments across the globe. Contraction of India's economy by 7.5% in the quarter ended September 30th, which was lower than an expected 8.5%. This has fueled hopes of a faster recovery in the second half of the year. Foreign players have continued pumping money in the Indian markets based on better than expected performance of India in the quarter ended September 30th. So let's wait and watch and hope for the best. Wishing all my viewers a very happy Guru Purab. Until next time, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.